Are you still manually typing every single formula to add numbers in Excel? I've been there, and trust me, it's such a time drain. But then I discovered this incredible Excel hack that changed everything. Here's the magic. Instead of manually typing formulas, you can use the AutoSum feature to instantly calculate totals in just seconds. Let me show you 2 super simple ways to do it. From the Home tab, highlight the numbers you want to add. Click on the AutoSum button in the Home tab. It's the one that looks like TechZero. Press Enter, and there you have it. Your total is ready. Using a shortcut, highlight the numbers you want to add. Press Alt = on your keyboard. The formula appears instantly. Just hit Enter, and you're done. No more manual math, no more frustration, just pure Excel magic. With these 2 methods, you'll save time and energy, making your workflow smoother than ever. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Skill to Learn, and hit the bell icon for more quick Excel hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.